Confused about the best institute to learn French in your city? Should I join this institute or that one? Unable to decide, right? Don't worry. Here are some tips to choose the best French language classes near you. Number 1. Take a free sample class and see how they teach. But hey, wait! Don't blindly trust the wonderful demo classes. Many institutes will give you the world's best demo and ignore you after getting money out of your pocket. So, if possible, talk to some students already taking French classes there. Their opinions could be genuine. Number 2. Make sure your short-listed language school teaches you how to listen, speak, read, and write French, with special, regular focus on speaking, because that's what you need the most, isn't it? Number 3. The daily class hours. The more, the better. At least 2 to 3 hours a day, 5 to 6 days a week. Don't settle for less. Number 4. Learning French to sit exams like DELF, TEF, etc. Ask for the Institute's latest student results. They'll tell a lot about their quality. By the way, if you're from Amritsar or around, do visit us for a sample French class and see whether we do what we preach. Action speaks louder than words.